Now for one of our trending stories, and this one features several of us from the Fox 16 family, and it's something that you might have seen kind of come across your social feeds.
Yeah, our producer Kim asked some of us in the newsroom, both in front and behind the camera, to send her a video of us pulling something random out of our home or work refrigerator.
And when she tells you to do something, you do it.
You do it.
Yeah, right. And you might not believe some of the things, rare things, unusual things that we actually found. Roll the tape.
That part.
Job well done.
That was really good.
Have you heard about the trend though? Going around?
I had.
No, you hadn't heard about it. Well, at least you found your tie. That was good.
That was good. We need to actually put that on social media. That's what I think.
There you go.
As you see, yes, he has his tie. I'm so glad you found it.
Yeah.
In the refrigerator.
It's kind of like those golf towels, you know, when you're out there sweating, the ice cold towels.
Beautiful.
Put it around your neck and you cool down. Get it good and cold, put it around my neck.
Love it.
Chill.
Love it.
Come out here
Look
and just
at
deliver
you.
the sports smooth and silky.
Nope. Yep.
You're amazing.
That was good. Very well done. Ronnie did a great job of editing that.
she
Coming up
did.
next, we'll see who is leading the way at the Sonic Air Raid.